Right, here we are. Sorry it's been a while, but this is the Spanish Alpine rescue video, part 2, just having a look at the floors for the welding preview. This is actually, you look at that, a very sort of quite a strong original shell. For a rapier fastback, you look at the bit behind the front balance, had a bit of damage there. Must have been towed into something at some point. That front outrigger is a bit crusty. You can see a little bit, a couple of holes on the end of the inner sill. That's sort of usual, but that's not too bad. A little tiny bit there. Probably have to do the front sort of 18 inches. This side isn't actually too bad. Yeah, look at the way those that original panel comes over there. Oh, let's put the torch up. See it over there. Normally all these whole cars, they've been patched and patched and patched. This is actually all right. So MOT wise, normally go. This has not been welded. That's all pretty good. These are all pretty good, rear spring hangers. Looks like he had a tow bar fitted, I think, at some point. See the brackets under there. That panel's actually still on, the inner valance panel is still on now. A little bit of crust in the corner of the boot floor, but... Right. It has had a blowover respray at some point, but you can see from the shadow of the torch, just there. You can actually see the original spot welds are still in the arch. Bit flaky there and there. On the back valance. Some of those lower corners could do with a bit. Alright, it's the rear end of the right hand side of the sill. Hole there. Need to be done, but the inside doesn't look too bad. Now, some of these normally can then tend to have pinholes and stuff in them. See, that's got like a mark on there, like it's been crushed up slightly. And that looks like a patch of filler on the front corner, so it looks like it's going to be the front end of this driver's side, inner and outer sill. Right, just a quick look behind the headlights. It's still got these reinforcement bits, which is unusual. Behind the headlights, I know it looks scabby, but if you've seen a lot of these cars, you'll know that's actually really good. That whole seam at the front edge is all good. Your cobwebs. But yeah, those light backs look original. It's good. And then you can see in the previous video, you can see the water pumps gushing out. Needs doing. Your other MOT things like these, dust covers on the bottom ball joint, track balloons and stuff, those drop link bushes. And check all that. Overdrive box looks pretty dirty, but yeah, needs a clean, and I expect I'll probably do all the brakes and brake lines. Right, left hand sill, it's again, you need to take all the paint off here. Sometimes these tend to have a few pinholes here and there, like that would probably go through. That bit there would probably go through, but it's not as bad as the driver's side. On the whole, as they go, it's actually a pretty good car. Right, a couple of little bits in here on the rear valance. It's a shame I can't transmit the smell of this car through the video because it stinks. You can just see in there, there's mouse poo everywhere. Oh, here we go. Oh, God, lovely. There's a big one. Full of poo, that's probably what's rotted out that corner. Oh, what was that? Something plant material, but yeah, we won't go there. Yeah, a little bit on the boot edge. Again, as they go, it's not too bad.